Hello world, welcome. I'm Shofai Sedi, aka Shofai, aka Sedi, and this is Diary Sundays. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to a new segment on my channel called Diary Sundays. Diary Sundays is a segment on my channel where we do wholesome things, and in today's video we're going to be making a vision board. The whole point of it is to sit down, think about our goals, and put them into a collage, hang it somewhere in our rooms, and actually like crush those goals, actually achieve those goals. So I think it's very effective to have such a thing than to be writing down your goals on a piece of paper or in the notes of your book. Whereas with this, like, you see it every day and it should motivate you into achieving those goals. So without further ado, let's get started on making our vision boards. So in my hand, I have the 10 steps to creating a vision board. And the first step says decide what you want to bring into your life and what you want to focus on. So with that, I saw another post in which you write down a heading on a plain simple exam pad page, paper, whatever paper you have, and you divide the different areas of your life, and then you fill in your goals. Then we will move on to step 2. Okay, so this is a little template I've made for you guys just to give you an idea on the factors and areas you can work on in your life. So at the top you write 2022, and then personal growth is a big thing now. So I was thinking, how about we look into that as well? And personal growth requires introspection as well as a lot of effort into making those changes in your life. Step number 1 would be to recognize your strengths. Recognize your strengths first, and this should provide you with the encouragement to review the areas in which you can improve. Step number 2 is to set SMART goals. The S in SMART stands for specific. So be specific with the goals that you want to achieve. The M stands for measurable. Determine which goals you want to achieve within the present and which ones you want to achieve in terms of long term, so probably like towards the end of the year. And then your A stands for achievable, R stands for relevant, and T stands for time bound. With these 3, you need to be realistic. Be as realistic as you can, and don't be afraid to set big goals, because those do really encourage people to really go after their goals. Then your step number 3 would be to expand your knowledge. No matter how much you know, you always have to be willing to learn. If you're not willing to learn, you'll never expand your knowledge. And then step number 4 is to stay positive. This is about you, and you need to prioritize yourself and your success, because at the end of the day, it's your future that is in your hands. Okay, so here's a nice close up. Personal growth can be your mental, social, spiritual, emotional, physical. Your relationships can be with your parents, your siblings, other family members, friends, what you'd like to improve on those relationships. And then other areas you'd like to improve or set goals on would be your social media, your career, your finances, your house, your home, your traveling, dreams, anything, literally any education, whatever goals that you want to achieve. Make sure you put them into your vision board and make sure you achieve them by the end of the year. Okay, so then now step 2 is to choose images that represent what you've written or images that appeal to you, and then you're going to cover it on a piece of paper. So this is from an old calendar. I'm going to use it as my vision board like this, and then probably like remove that, and then get my pictures, put them, assemble them. Then you need to take a picture. You can use pictures, words, phrases, quotes, and then you arrange them on a piece of paper, take a picture, and then you start using clues. So let's start looking for those images and quotes and all the nice stuff to decorate this piece of paper. Okay, so there's 10 steps to creating a vision board. Step number 1 is to decide what you want to bring into your life and what you want to focus on. Step number 2 is to choose images that represent those things and images that appeal to you. Step number 3 is to cover your board with large background images. And step number 4 is to layer on smaller images. Step number 5, add words and phrases or quotes. Step number 6 is to fill in and arrange until it's appealing. Step number 7 is to add any embellishments. Step number 8 is to take a picture in case the images shift. And step number 9 is to glue everything on, starting with the background and working your way out. Then the final step would be to hang it where you'll see it every day. That is the point. You need to see it every day so that it motivates you to achieve those goals. Okay, so I've finished making my vision board. There are some blank spaces which I think I'll fill them in as the year goes by. But as I was making this, I felt really motivated to achieve these goals. I also think it would be a great idea to write down a letter to yourself about these goals and stuff, because some of the things on my collage are like words and so I was thinking, okay, with this word, what type of goal can I achieve? So I think I'll write that in a letter and then paste the letter at the back. Obviously it's going to be hung like this with the goals facing you, and you see the goals every day. So yeah, and then at the end of the year, maybe you go back to the letter that you pasted at the back, read it to yourself, look at the goals, see what you've achieved and what you haven't. And if you haven't achieved the stuff at the end, then literally no bummer. But yeah, so if you've made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share with everyone that you know. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!